Hey everyone, ready for a transformative shift in drone innovation? The DJI Mini 5 Pro might just rewrite the rules for compact aerial cinematography. Rumor has it this ultra-sleek drone is stepping out of the sub-250G shadow, packing cinematic-grade features like a powerful 1-inch sensor, buttery-smooth 4K at 120 frames per second, and advanced obstacle avoidance, all in a still reasonable form factor. It's not just about portability anymore, it's about bringing pro-level imaging power into your travel kit. The speculation skyrockets when you consider the possibility of a 48mm telephoto mode emerging on a drone this light, call it microcinema mastery. At a projected price flirting with $900, the question becomes, is it still your lightweight travel buddy or has it elevated into a full-blown creative tool? Meanwhile, crowd favorites like the Air 3S remain formidable, dual camera arrays, wide angle, and telephoto fusion, exceptional low-light prowess, and nearly 45 minutes of battling coastal breezes without blinking. When you compare specs, the Mini 5 Pro may bring one versatile lens and nimble weight to the table, but the Air 3S unleashes creative dual-focal flexibility and raw power. Wind resistance, robust build, and award-worthy stabilization bolster the Air 3S as the go-to choice for serious storytelling, while the Mini 5 Pro hints at greater portability without entirely sacrificing performance. What's especially interesting is the shift in positioning, from purely lightweight to feature-rich compact. The Mini 5 Pro could blur category lines, no longer just a tourist-friendly gadget but a filmmaker's backup. If it breaches the 249G threshold, it's subject to drone regulations globally, parity with the Air 3S in legal complexity, but that might be a fair trade for a svelte, high-output package. Estimated battery life hovers around 36 minutes on a standard tank, with a plus pack pushing it closer to 45. Still short of the Air 3S's power reserve, but not drastically behind. In calmer conditions, that runtime is certainly competitive. Now imagine this, Insta360 emerges with its anti-gravity drone challenger, 8K 360 capture, post-flight reframing, dual 360 lenses, hot swappable batteries, and clever cooling with a metal heat sink. This drone seems tailored for immersive cinematographers, VR fans, and vloggers who crave post-production freedom. With under 249G promise and serious capture capability, it's not just compact, it's radically interactive, a real creative disruptor in the airspace. So, where does this leave us? If the Mini 5 Pro really delivers high frame-rate 4K, telephoto versatility, smart obstacle systems, and improved battery, while maintaining a compact build, it could sit between the nimbleness traditionally reserved for mini drones and the creative muscle of larger drones. The Air 3S remains the performance champion, twin lenses, heavy-duty wind combat, robust low-light, longer endurance. The anti-gravity contender from Insta360, on the other hand, might reimagine drone storytelling, elevating 360 flight to post-flight art form. Let's talk strategy. If you're primarily seeking lightweight portability with great single-sensor video and safe flying tech, the rumored Mini 5 Pro could be a game-changer, especially for travel and solo creativity. For those who need cinematic flexibility, dual camera control, and extreme stability, especially in tricky environments, the Air 3S still reigns. And if immersive, reframable footage in a sub-250G package is your jam, keep an eye on the anti-gravity launch. Its 360 capabilities challenge everything we expect from a mini drone. Finally, the elephant in the room, weight versus regulation. If Mini 5 Pro tips just over 249G, you still need to comply with geofencing, altitude restrictions, and possible registration, versus the original Mini lineage's USP. It's less about no hassle flying and more feature-packed flying with a compact body. That trade-off is all about what matters most to you: lightweight convenience, storytelling control, immersive framing, or the best of all worlds in a sleek new hybrid.